Hi, my name's Joanna and I'm an illustrator and animator, and I get a lot of questions from a lot of people about what I do. So I'm bunching them all up together in this video in which I'm going to answer most common questions and comments that I get on my work. It's gonna be super fun. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. First question.
Hey Joanna, what software do you use?
Well, that's a question that I don't hear very often, do I? I use Adobe Animate CC for all my rough animations, and for literally everything else I use Photoshop.
Hey Joanna, how do you animate in Photoshop?
Very patiently, slowly, while grinding my teeth into a fine dust. But seriously, I just use the basic timeline function, and I also use a free plugin called Anime Dessin. It's made by a French guy, it's free, and it's really, really useful and efficient for timeline management in Photoshop. It changed my life, and it helped me stay sane. So I highly recommend it if you're trying to do so.
Why do you use Animate CC if you could do it in Photoshop?
It's just faster, I guess, for me personally. Mostly because the onion skin in Adobe Animate CC works way, way better than the one in Photoshop, which is a very, very basic version and doesn't have a lot of functions. But the downside is that it's a very basic drawing software, so for the final animations, I choose Photoshop because of all the artsy-fartsy stuff that I can do inside of it.
What brushes do you use?
A lot of Kyle's brushes for Photoshop, but I also made my own custom set, and it's free and it's available on my Dribble profile that I'm gonna link in the video description so that you can find it and maybe use them if you think they might be useful to you.
Hey Joanna, su trabajo es muy hermoso. ¿Cómo lo hace?
Muchas gracias por sus amables palabras. ¿Lo hace bien?
I found your artwork online. I really love it. Can I use it for free for my brand new super successful TM line of t-shirts?
No.
What tablet do you recommend? I recommend getting any tablet, basically. I think tablets are just a tool. If you're just starting out, a very cheap, affordable tablet is just as good as any other. If you're a professional, then yeah, I definitely recommend getting a Cintiq or anything like it. Just feels way more natural than a normal tablet, but at the same time, like I said, it's only a tool. You do the actual work.
Hey Joanna, how can I learn to animate?
That's a very tough question. I think you do it the same way you learn how to do everything in life. Just look at people who know how to do it and start copying them. But seriously, that's what I did. I looked online for all the GIFs and animations that I really, really liked, and I tried to break them down to their most basic level and see how the people that made them and why I think they were nice. Then I just looked up a couple of online tutorials and courses and stuff like that until I started getting it. You know, it's just a Google search away.
Could you recommend us someone that does the same work that you do but cheaper?
What? No. Don't ever contact me again. Ever. Please.
Why are you recording this video in your PJs? Aren't you sort of embarrassed?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully I've answered any questions that you haven't asked me before but really wanted to but were afraid to, because you knew a lot of people asked me that before. If you'd like to see any part of my process in a more in-depth video, make sure to let me know in the comments section. Wait. I was editing this video and I realized that I completely forgot to ask you if you might be interested in seeing how I quickly animated these guys that keep popping up. And if you are, make sure to let me know in the comments and I might do a video about it. What was I saying? Oh yeah, like or subscribe or do whatever. If you don't want anything to do with me, then just go away. Goodbye. Bye.